Hi. Cooking with M Squad.
S minus the butter.
1, 2, 3.
So today, what are we making?
Sugar cookies.
Making sugar cookies.
I thought that was just a pun, but it was your face.
Except we have no butter.
So
We're gonna use coconut oil.
yeah.
So
See how that will taste.
we have everything else though, which is that's disappointing.
So like
I haven't even mango. So see, it smells like butter, like unsalted butter. Macy said
it kind of smells good. I like that.
Alright, so we have half a cup here, and we're just gonna. Fun, right?
Fun, right?
Yes.
Since they've seen us. Here's a recap of 4th of July. Ready, set, go.
Welcome back to Mars Vlogs. We're at Paul's cottage on the lake. I fell off this hammock earlier. They're playing wiffle ball. I suck at any type of ball sport, so. You're doing great though. She's doing very well. She'll be hitting soon. Stay tuned.
Today's game.
We got that on vlog.
You could. You balance it out if you got on, actually, probably.
Welcome back to Mars Vlog.
Like catfish sort of fish.
Making sure we don't get attacked by fireworks.
What's this one though? It just runs the quality.
Okay, that's how this one goes.
A few inches later.
I don't think I'm doing this right.
Gorgeous. This one's Idaho. This is what we consume. How do you approve of our coconut oil cookies?
Your coconut oil cookies are delicious.
We did it. We did it.
She didn't get a burnt one.
All right, we're at our first stop with our cookies. Which one are we gonna give to him?
This is a tough choice. I think he wants the extra sprinkles or glitter. Whatever this is.
Oh, we're gonna
These are for you. He's gonna go throw them out.
Hi, Joe.
Oh, thank you very much.
Aren't they pretty?
They're pretty good. Did you guys make these?
Yeah.
Who are we waiting for now? Oh, what one? Which one? Right here.
You're all close.
Alright, which one? This one's for Carter. I feel like that one's the one with the cinnamon notes that fell off.
Plunger, we're over. Thank you. It's beautiful, right?
Did you guys make these?
Yeah,
Yeah.
can you tell?
What is this? This is like supposed to be sandals.
These ones are for who? Exciting. It's been real, Macy.